Oh, he's going in a crazy mood now. I could tell. Woo! Exercise those wings, baby. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Ah! Woohoo! Woo! Oh my goodness, your whistle's getting good. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Oh my. What are you doing? Sonny Boy? Sonny Boy? What are you doing? Are you being a crazy bird? Ooh. Good whistles. You did a... That's my whistle. It's pretty lame, huh? Ooh. Where are you going? Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Ready? Step up. Oh, good bird. There you go. Why don't you go eat your food? You didn't eat. You ate some. Oh, I know. You love the camera. Bite, bite. And then you change the settings and things. Ah! Okay. Why don't you try some more food? Huh? Yeah? You gonna eat that? You like watermelon, don't you? Anything sweet. Sweet beak. Yeah. What a good bird you are. Look at that. Ooh, good birdie. Let's see, what do you how about an apple? No, you like watermelon, I know. Here's another piece of watermelon. You getting the seeds out? Mmm. 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 That was good. Mmm. You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. Ooh, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Ugh. Golly. You're a crazy bird.